My name is Laure. I've been living a nearly zero-waste lifestyle for 6.5 years, which happened when I came to Auroville. And I've worked for several waste management projects, as well as for companies who produce reusable products. Now I give talks about sustainability, about how to reduce one's waste, and I also offer coaching. Zero waste lifestyle is not about having no waste at all. It's actually about minimizing your waste and trying to manage your waste as consciously as possible. So there's 5 principles in a zero waste lifestyle. The first to refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot, which means compost. Like when you live a zero waste lifestyle, you have no waste at all. That's a huge misconception because actually you do have, but you don't have much, first of all. Second, you mind your waste. You mind actually what's the future of your waste. Like you will mind that it's reusable, you will mind that it's recyclable or repurposable. And it's best to have many imperfect zero waste or some kind of zero waste people rather than none at all.